If you've ever wondered how to delete cookies from just one website in Google Chrome without wiping out all your browsing data, then you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to remove cookies from a specific site, keeping your other site preferences and logins untouched. This is super useful if you're troubleshooting website issues, want to clear your session info, or just tidy up your browser without losing everything. Let's dive in together. First, make sure you've got your Google Chrome browser open on your computer. If it's not already running, just go ahead and double-click the Chrome icon. Starting from the main window ensures we're on the same page. Next, look to the very top right of the browser window, and you'll spot 3 little dots stacked vertically. This is Chrome's main menu. Give them a click, and a drop-down menu appears. From here, you'll want to find and click on Settings. Don't worry if the menu looks overwhelming. The option for Settings is usually near the bottom, and once you select it, your browser will open a new tab just for all your customization needs. On the left-hand side of the Settings tab, there's a sidebar with several categories. Find and click on Privacy and Security. This section is where Chrome keeps all your browsing protection features. It's a central hub for controlling what data gets saved and what gets wiped. Now, under Privacy and Security, look for the option labeled Third-Party Cookies. Clicking here takes you deeper into Chrome's cookie controls. Cookies are tiny bits of info that websites stuff in your browser, sometimes to remember you, sometimes to track you. So managing them wisely is a great digital habit. Keep scrolling down the page until you see a button or link that says, See All Data and Permissions. This is your backstage pass into the world of cookies and stored data. Here, Chrome organizes everything it's saved for different websites, so you can manage things individually without affecting the rest. It's much less drastic than a full browser reset, and lets you focus on just one problem site at a time. At this point, you'll see a list of all the websites that have stored cookies and permissions in Chrome. Take your time, scroll through the list, or use the search bar if you already know the site you want to target. Sometimes, site names might not be exactly what you expect, so don't worry if it takes a minute to locate the right one. When you find the website whose cookies you want to delete, look to the right side of its listing. You should see a little trash can icon or a button labeled Delete. Go ahead and click that. Chrome will instantly remove all cookies and saved info for just that site. You're not affecting anything else, so your other favorites stay untouched. In effect, it's like telling Chrome to forget just the conversation it had with that one website, letting you fix issues or start fresh on that site with no impact elsewhere. And that's it. You've successfully deleted cookies for a specific website in Chrome. If the site was giving you trouble, try reloading or revisiting. It should act as though you're visiting for the very first time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or need more guidance, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical web tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.